Before watching our video, ensure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and tapping the bell icon. When washing dishes and observing water backing up in the sink, it's a clear indicator of a probable drain blockage. This issue commonly affects those who overlook basic precautions. Often, the backup stems from accumulated fats in the pipelines. Despite being in a liquid state while poured down the drain, fats tend to solidify over time, causing stubborn obstructions. Concurrently, remnants of food, vegetable peels, or fruit peelings may gather along the bends of the pipes, impeding the natural flow of water. So, what should one do when confronted with this predicament? Call a plumber or resort to chemical products for sink unclogging? It's worth noting that many are unaware of the harmful components present in these chemical products, capable of causing skin irritations and respiratory issues. In today's insightful video, we'll unveil a budget-friendly, eco-friendly remedy to unclog kitchen sinks naturally. The secret? Just hot water and salt. Begin by pouring half a cup of salt into the sink drain and allowing it to settle. Then, bring 2 liters of water to a boil and switch off the stove. Slowly pour the bubbling hot water down the drain. The elevated temperature of the water effectively dissolves the accrued fats lodged within the pipes. After ensuring the full drainage of the boiled water, run additional hot water from the faucet to ensure a thorough rinse. The abrasive nature of the salt aids in dislodging any lingering fat residues. Alternatively, dish detergent can serve as a substitute for salt. Simply boil the water as previously mentioned and mix in a few spoonfuls of dish detergent. Pour this soapy solution down the drain, mimicking the previous process. The detergent's properties work to dissolve any remaining fat residue, effectively restoring the pipe's functionality to pristine condition. In cases where food debris contributes to the blockage, manual intervention might be necessary post-hot water treatment. Try manual unclogging after flushing the sink with boiled water to dislodge any stray food particles. Do you have additional strategies or tips for clearing clogged sink drains? Feel free to share your insights in the comments section below. If you found this information useful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.